Umbria is one of the most fascinating regions in Italy, rich in history, art, culture, and unspoiled nature. The region is located in the heart of the country, surrounded by green hills and mountains, with ancient villages and art cities that seem suspended in time. This region can satisfy every type of tourist, from families seeking relaxation and tranquility, to young adventurers looking for excitement and fun, to art and history enthusiasts. In this video, we will take you on a journey to discover the 5 most beautiful places to see in Umbria. However, we want to emphasize that this region offers much more than what you can see in this video. There are many other wonderful places that deserve a visit. So get ready to embark on a discovery of this enchanting region, where you can breathe the pure air of nature, taste local delicacies, admire breathtaking works of art, and experience unique emotions. Here is our personal top 5 of the places to visit in Umbria. Assisi is one of the most charming and evocative cities in Umbria, rich in history, culture, and spirituality. Located on a hill about 400 meters above sea level, the city is famous for being the birthplace of Saint Francis of Assisi, the patron saint of Italy, who lived and preached here in the 13th century. Assisi is a true open-air museum with numerous historical monuments, churches, monasteries, and museums that offer a wide variety of works of art and architecture, including the famous Basilica of San Francesco, the Basilica of Santa Maria degli Angeli, the Rocca Maggiore, the Temple of Minerva, and the Cathedral of San Rufino. But Assisi is not just history and art. It is also a lively city, with markets, local craft shops, and restaurants offering typical Umbrian dishes such as pasta alla norcina, porchetta, truffles, and Sagrantino wine. Furthermore, the city is surrounded by unspoiled nature, with hills, forests, and cultivated fields stretching as far as the eye can see. Assisi is a must-visit for anyone exploring Umbria, a city that leaves an indelible impression in the minds and hearts of its visitors. Spello is famous for its well-preserved historic center, with its narrow, cobbled streets, medieval stone houses, and numerous churches and monuments. Among the places not to be missed in Spello is the Church of Santa Maria Maggiore, one of the largest in the city, with its beautiful Romanesque facade and imposing bell tower. Inside, you can find important works of art, including the Madonna and Child by Pinturicchio. Another attraction to visit is the Porta Consolare, an ancient Roman gate dating back to the 3rd century BC that now serves as the main entrance to the city. Spello is also known for its flowers, particularly for the famous Infiorata, held every year in June, during which the streets of the historic center are decorated with flower carpets. Additionally, Spello is surrounded by hills and sunflower fields, making it an ideal destination for walks and excursions in nature. Don't miss the hikes along the path of the olive trees, which offer breathtaking views of the Umbrian Valley. Orvieto. It's a hilltop city perched on volcanic tough rock, offering, honestly, some breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. Orvieto is absolutely rich in history and culture, and it's famous for its Gothic cathedral, which is, without a doubt, one of the most beautiful in Italy, and the Pozzo di San Patrizio, an incredible double helix well that's really something to see. The city is also renowned for its white wine, Orvieto Classico, produced in the vineyards all around. Besides its historical monuments, Orvieto also boasts splendid churches, museums, and a lively cultural scene. Just taking a stroll through the narrow streets of the historic center is a real delight, with ancient stone houses and stunning views at every turn. Moreover, the city is a brilliant starting point for exploring Umbria, with loads of other medieval villages easily reached by car or train. Tardi It's a medieval city with a magical and relaxing atmosphere, set right in the middle of a breathtaking hilly landscape. Walking through its narrow and winding streets, you can admire beautiful palaces, churches, and ancient walls that honestly tell the story of this amazing city. You can also visit the cathedral, a true masterpiece of Gothic art, and Piazza del Popolo, which is one of the most beautiful squares in Italy. There you'll find the Fountain of the Lion and the Palazzo dei Priori. Todi is also famous for its Temple of Consolation, a Renaissance work of impressive grandeur. But that's not all. Todi is surrounded by lush and unspoiled nature, making it just perfect for hiking, trekking, and cycling trips. In summary, Todi is a hidden gem of Umbria, a city that'll really enchant you with its beauty and authenticity. Spoleto. It's a charming city with a history that goes back over 2,500 years. Spoleto is well known for its natural beauty, artistic treasures, and honestly, a vibrant cultural life. The city has loads of points of interest, like the Mausoleum of Ponzio Pilato, the Roman Theatre, the Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta, the Duomo of Spoleto, the Ponte delle Torri, and the Castle of Spoleto. It's surrounded by green hills and mountains, which offer some truly spectacular views of Umbria. It's a perfect spot for nature lovers and outdoor sports enthusiasts. Here you can go hiking, mountain biking, trekking, and, well, loads more. Additionally, Spoleto is an ideal destination for anyone seeking tranquility and relaxation. With its cobblestone streets and historic buildings, Spoleto really gives off a sense of peace and serenity that'll make you feel like you've stepped into another era. In summary, Spoleto is a city that combines natural beauty with a rich historical and cultural heritage. Discover this wonderful city, and you'll honestly fall in love with its timeless charm. We must admit that it was really difficult to compile a top 5 list of places to visit in Umbria. Therefore, we must point out other places that are definitely worth visiting, such as Perugia, Narni, Gubbio, Trevi, the Marmor Falls, and Lake Trasimeno. Due to time constraints, we will focus on 3 of these fantastic locations. Perugia is the main city of Umbria, situated on a hill approximately 450 meters above sea level. It's a city of ancient origins, with a history dating all the way back to the Etruscan and Roman times. Today, Perugia is a vibrant and charming university city, with a characteristic historic center and a wide selection of museums, churches, and art galleries. Furthermore, Perugia is famous for its artisanal chocolate and the renowned Euro Chocolate Festival, which is held every year. The Marmor Falls is a spectacular artificial waterfall located about 7 kilometers from Terni in southern Umbria. It was created by the Romans in the 3rd century BC to divert the Velino River and prevent flooding in the Rheatean Valley. The waterfall has 3 cascades and reaches a height of 165 meters. It's actually one of the most visited places in Umbria, and hiking excursions are available to admire the beauty of the waterfall and the surrounding nature. On the other hand, Lake Trasimeno is the largest lake in central Italy and is located in the western part of Umbria, near the border with Tuscany. It's a highly popular tourist destination due to its natural beauty and the numerous activities it offers, such as swimming, fishing, sailing, windsurfing, and kite surfing. There are also several charming towns on its shores, including Castiglione del Lago Pasignano sul Trasimeno and Tuoro sul Trasimeno. Additionally, the lake has significant ancient history as the site of the famous Battle of Trasimeno in 217 BC between Hannibal's Carthaginian forces and the Roman army. In conclusion, Umbria is a region full of hidden treasures to be discovered step by step. The places we've listed are only a small part of the wonders that this region has to offer. We are confident that if you decide to visit Umbria, you'll be absolutely fascinated by its beauty and its millennia-old history. Remember to also explore the smaller towns and villages, as they often hide authentic artistic and cultural gems. And don't forget to taste the delicious Umbrian cuisine and sample the local wines, which will honestly leave you speechless.